morning, everyone. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. I know you guys have been waiting for this for a very long time and I've been procrastinating, but today I'm going to be taking you guys with me and showing you everything that I eat. I'm just gonna get my workout in real quick. It's currently around like 9:30. I'm just gonna get it in and then have breakfast right after. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and I'll see you guys for breakfast. So I just finished my workout. I am feeling great. Now it's time to make some breakfast. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you the ingredients to making my protein oatmeal. I decided to go with oatmeal today because it's fast, it's easy, and it's seriously so good. And I woke up craving it, so I figured I might as well make it. So to make my protein oats, all you'll need is some oatmeal, some protein. I'm using this one by Motivate in the vanilla cake flavor. This is seriously my favorite protein. It tastes exactly like vanilla cake. I use it for a lot of different things. You'll also need some almonds, some black chia seeds, some sort of fruits to put in. I'm using blueberries, strawberries, and a little bit of banana that I had left over as well, and some cinnamon. Alright guys, so in this bowl I have measured a half a cup of oatmeal. That's about how much I like to have in the morning. You can totally do a cup of oatmeal if you want. Just half a cup is usually good for me. It fills me up and it's like the right size. I'm going to do about a scoop of the Motivate vanilla protein powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of water to my oatmeal. This is filtered water, by the way, guys. It's not some random gross water I'm using. Now, all I'm going to do is stir this up. Now, I don't add any other sweetener or sugar or honey in this just because the vanilla protein seriously is all you need. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness. Let me show you guys a little better. It's a perfect amount of sweetness. Actually, if I add any more of the protein powder, it's actually too sweet for me, so I just find that 1 scoop or a little bit under 1 scoop is the perfect amount in here. And this way I'm getting my protein in after my workout, which is exactly what I need. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like and I'll show you my toppings. And there you go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my toppings. So I'm gonna add some blueberries, strawberries, some of this ripe banana that I need to use up because it's gonna go bad if I don't, and then about 7 almonds. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on here just for flavor, and then of course some chia seeds. Let me grab a spoon. This just adds, chia seeds just adds really great fiber to the oatmeal, which we all definitely need, so I'm just gonna add that in here. I feel like it doesn't look so pretty anymore because when I added the cinnamon, it covers up all the beautiful colors, but this is what I am eating. So this is my vanilla protein oats with berries, almonds, banana, cinnamon, and black chia seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my oatmeal, or actually let me show you guys some supplements that I take before eating, or just some pills just to help me out. So I've noticed that for me when I eat carbs or any sort, I bloat a lot, and I was looking for something to help with bloating, and I found these. These are the Daily Digestive Enzymes with Prebiotics and Probiotics by ZenWise Health. I got these on Amazon. I definitely wanted to increase my probiotic intake, and I was looking for something to help me with digestion and just bloating, and I found these, and these have seriously worked so well. I've noticed a huge difference. I drink these and my bloating is very minimal or not even existing when I do take these. So I take these before every meal. And in the morning, I also take these green tea extract pills just to give me a little bit of energy. It's also great for weight loss. And yeah, I'm just gonna drink these. I'm just gonna take these pills and then I'm gonna go ahead and eat my oatmeal. Okay, so I was just doing some cleaning upstairs, but I got hungry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have a snack and I'm gonna show you guys what I am going to be having. So for my snack today, I'm going with one of my faves, which is just 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I use the Justin's peanut butter. You can go ahead and use any type of peanut butter you want, but I absolutely love peanut butter. I have to have it at least once a day. That's how much I love it and I'm addicted to it. And then I've sliced up just 1 medium apple. And yeah, this is gonna be my snack. I love this snack because it's high volume and it's super filling, so this will definitely keep me full for a very, very long time. Okay guys, so it is now lunchtime. I am starving, so I'm just gonna stir up a couple of veggies in the pan. I'm just putting a little bit of this extra virgin olive oil on my pan. To the pan, I am going to add in some green bell peppers and onions. I was craving Chipotle, which it's still like a healthy meal I can go grab, but decided to save a couple bucks and just makes my own bowl at home. I'm gonna season it with some garlic powder. Do a lot of garlic powder, I know. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Some ground cumin. I love this stuff with my bell peppers and onions. Just makes it taste even better. And then just a little bit of salt. I do want to buy some pink Himalayan salt because it has some benefits. That's a lot better for you, but have not gotten to grabbing that yet. And I'm just gonna let this cook and let the veggies soften a little bit. For my base in my bowls, I'm going to be using some spinach. You can use whatever, let me see if you guys look a little bit. You can use whatever greens you want. I just personally love spinach, and this happens to be what I have on hand. Just gonna grab a good handful and put that on my plate. As far as my protein for my bowl, I actually have some leftover chicken from yesterday's lunch. All this is about half of a chicken breast, and I seasoned it with some garlic salt, some pepper, some paprika, and lots of garlic powder and garlic onion. It's so good. So I'm just going to be using this as my protein for my bowl since I already have it prepped. Go ahead and add whatever type of rice or carb that you want in there. I have these quinoa and brown rice packs that I got from Costco. All you have to do is throw these in the microwave for about a minute to a minute and a half and it's ready for you. This is just super convenient for me when I was in school and I needed some sort of rice or carb for my meal. It was super easy to just pop it in. I still have a few left, so I'm just going to be using some of this. I'm not really too in the mood for rice right now, so I'm just going to throw in a little bit in there just for substance. Okay guys, so the veggies are done. They're nice and sauteed. So I'm just going to add these to my spinach. Okay, so my chicken is now ready and heated up, so I'm just going to throw this on my bowl. That salad. The rice is ready. Seriously, so easy and so fast. And like I said, I'm not in the mood for too much rice right now. Probably end up having rice for dinner. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this brown rice and quinoa in here. And then I'm gonna do about a third of this avocado. I love avocado. It seriously is so good. My boyfriend is allergic to avocados, and I always tell him, I don't know how you survive. Because this avocado is seriously life. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. It seriously tastes so good. Now you can go ahead and throw any salsa you want on here, but the chicken and the veggies have so much flavor that I personally don't find that I need any, but I am going to top it off with just a little bit of tapatio. Okay guys, so for dinner I am going to be making some tilapia. I just really like fish, and it was on sale this week at Sprouts, so fish it is. And in this other pot I have right over here, I'm going to be putting some broccoli in there, and that's going to be my side. I haven't eaten tilapia in so long, so I'm actually really excited. Okay. So here's my tilapia. I'm just gonna take one slice out. Now these fillets are pretty big, if you can tell, so I'm just gonna have one. So you can go ahead and add whatever seasoning you want. I'm going to be adding some garlic salt. Both sides. I'm gonna make sure to season it well. Obviously, try not to over season it, but if I'm being honest, I do it all the time, so. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And then just for a little bit more flavor, I'm gonna add some paprika. I love adding paprika to anything. It just really adds great spices. I add paprika in my chicken, in my turkey, in my fish, and everything, pretty much every protein source. I massage the seasonings in, and we're ready to put this in the pan.
The pan, I'm just gonna add some olive oil, just a little bit. Just make sure it doesn't stick. I think I actually added way too much, so I'm just going to dab it a little bit off. And then try to get the edges, because make sure your fish doesn't stick. Now we're just going to go ahead and let that cook on both sides. Fish cooks pretty quickly, so shouldn't take too long.
I'm just going to be using the rest of this brown rice and quinoa. When I do another what I eat in a day or another recipe video, I'll show you my recipe for brown rice when I don't have these. Guys, so this is going to be my dinner for today. I have a lot of broccoli. Okay guys, so this is my dinner. It's a lot of broccoli. I always like to fill up most of my plate with veggies, so I make sure to put a lot. Some brown rice and quinoa, garlic flavored. Let's try that again. Some garlic flavored quinoa and brown rice, and then one fillet of tilapia. It seriously smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and go eat this. So this is going to be it for my what I eat in a day video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more recipes that I do or eat, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what videos you would like to see next. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.